Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? Happy Monday. What another good day to be in crypto. If you guys smash the like button and we will get quickly straight over to those charts. Right, so on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we have, we wicked above this resistance. We played a little bit of testing the underside of it, but Bitcoin had the strength to break through. So that's obviously great to see. What I will have to say though is that we are basically getting driven by this actual fall out of bed of the dollar. This was an important level, horizontal, that I had drawn in, this level here, which we've now taken out pretty convincingly. And we were trading below 94 earlier this morning. So this is realistically the next target, which is 88 in the 88s for the dollar index. And I'll tell you guys now, not financial advice, but if that dollar gets down to 88, Bitcoin is going to be 20k or higher. And that is just, that's just and not a financial advice fact. But yeah, also if we have a look, I mean, it's basically the same thing. I say it's the same thing. It's all facilitated from the same price action in the dollar. There is a saying in the markets: you call the dollar, you can call everything. And obviously, we've been bearish of the dollar here because that has been the regime we've been in, and that has been what's happening, and that's why we've been getting everything right. Commodities, everything, silver, gold. What am I trying to find for you? Yeah, I'm trying to find the silver price. We'll look at the gold price. Oh, here's the silver price. But look, yeah, you can see blasting off $24 silver, guys. They are losing control of this this currency, and then you can see gold as well, off to the moon. This is gold and silver, the new Tesla, guys. Gold and silver stocks are the new Teslas, and the penny gold and silver miners. They are going to be basically the new Robin Hood favorites. Gold silver ratio as well. Look at that, tanking, absolutely tanking. In your face, Tone Vase. Like, what do you know about anything other than trading the TD? Just keep your fundamental views just to yourself, because, well, don't keep them to yourself. You can tell us all, and we can just do the opposite, and we can just use it as an example of what dumb money does, because his fundamental views ain't worth nothing, guys. Anyway, so right, we're done with that. So what's going on with Bitcoin? Yeah, so we're basically getting pumped up by the dollar. So that's all we really need to know at the moment, which is obviously really good. Dollar probably getting traction to the downside. That daily 9, I mean, we're on it still. We are on it still. We're on the daily 9, so you've got to be cognizant of that fact. It is a powerful indicator. A lot of commodities as well are on daily, and some are on weekly 9s as well, so they are indicating a potential pullback in the dollar. I mean, it wouldn't be beyond the realms of possibility. Have I got a DXY on here? For basic, well, anyway, I'll just tell you guys, anyway, for it to basically drop below that important level we've just broken through, spike down and come and back test that level. I mean, back tests, we love back tests here, and that back test would obviously facilitate a bit of a retrace in some of these moves that we're seeing, some of these dollar related moves. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, daily 9, I mean, surely Bitcoin wants to come and test this level now. It's done all this work. But we'll have to see. But if we can just consolidate in this range, then yeah, I mean, that's just that would just be amazing, guys. I mean, you can just see the previous price action in this range. It's very tippy toppy. If we can sort of yeah, if we can sort of stamp our authority over this level here, then that's the bears just have to give up. The bears just have to give up, like in much the same way I was saying the bears are giving up down here. They're not getting 8,600, and they're giving up. So yeah, let's have a look at those weekly stochastics, and there we have it, guys. That is it. That is the confirmation we've been waiting for. No wonder, basically. Well, obviously it's to do with the dollar as well, but yeah, I mean, this is the best. This is the best thing I've seen in weeks for Bitcoin. This was the worst thing I'd seen in weeks for Bitcoin, telling me that we could potentially get downside, and this return back up, which we were hoping to get, is the best thing. I believe, in my opinion. Also, just on the weekly time frame, look at that. Look at that TD weekly 9, nice sell-off of it, and now we're basically, well, the higher the candle was a pretty high wick, but yeah, I mean, it coincides with breaking this zone, and then it's literally all bets are off. I mean, just look at this level. Look at it. Look at the wick here, the wick here, the wick here. if we close a weekly candle above here and start trading in this zone, it's bull run 2020, guys. No one will be able to stop it. We know what Bitcoin's like once it gets on a move, on a mission, and that will be it. So I mean, is there really anything to look at on the lower time frame Stokes? I mean, I'm guessing they're all going to be jammed up at the moment. 4 hour turning back up again. 8 hour just jammed up. You can see this is jammed up Stokes. Jammed in the high zone, jammed up in the high zone, jammed up in the high zone. What I mean by jammed up there is it's getting jammed up there as in it comes down, up again, down, and it can't leave this bullish zone. Daily, obviously, I mean, I told you guys, didn't I? This is what I said. I said the daily's on a tear. The daily's going to get up to here, and then once we get up to here, Bitcoin will be 10k. I mean, just listen to my videos if you want. 2 day, obviously on a tear. 3 day, really good, really good price. Just good price. I mean, we know it's good price action all over. But not only, I mean, obviously we know we've had a move up, but it's an important move up to important levels, and with the momentum oscillators on almost every time frame, and especially the higher ones, giving us a really good read for momentum, we've got every chance of breaking through here and just starting a bull run. So that's it, guys. Real quick video this morning because I've got to go and get my hair cut. And yeah, so I'll catch you. Remember, not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a hairstylist advisor either, but I do need a haircut. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later on today with our updates on our altcoins.